I've been working on a thing, I guess, automatic camera scrolling. So I made it where the player can't run behind the camera. Should probably block off the top of it, but yeah, I made it where they can't run in front of the camera either. If they fall off the map, they're gonna die and, not fall off the map, but fall too far below the camera. Comes back here. I didn't set up the level select yet, but it would work the same way as the other levels. So what I did was I took just like a basic waypoint system and said if the game state is in play, it runs all of the waypoints where it moves between it. If the waypoint index is greater than or equal to the length of the waypoints, it just stops running because there's no reason for it to keep going after or to reset once it hits the end of the level. But basically it just goes between each waypoint and blah blah blah. Once it hits that waypoint, it increments it. And I made it where it will touch certain waypoints, and once it's equal to that waypoint, or once it's to the next waypoint, it'll increase the speed or decrease depending on which one it's set to. And if it's not set to either one of those, it'll just put it back to a default speed, which is under this camera follow script right here. So I got all these very messy things set up, but these are the waypoints right here, and they are just set up throughout the map. Basically I didn't bother dragging them into here. I just took whatever array index is and just put it into here. So if it's 1, it's gonna be default speed. If it's 2, it's gonna speed the camera up to go faster. So let's go ahead and run through this really quick. So this would be the first point where it started off to, which would be 0, and this would be first point and the second point. So when it gets here, it should change the speed of it. So yeah, sped it up and now it's slowed back down. So let's see here. I'm also going to intentionally squish myself to test out the back kill zone. So come on, let's see what it's at right now. Camera flow, follow. Let's see, because I'm big dum right now. So the default speed is at 3. It's at index 5, which is right there. So let's see, at 6. At 7 is when it'll speed up. So right now it's at 5. Now it's at 6. And now it's at 7. So you can see it increased a lot. And now it's back here at where it went up to 9, and that's at the slowdown. And once it hits 10, it will go back up to regular speed. And once it does that, I'm gonna try to kill myself right here. No, not right. It has to be squished between, so it needs to be, whoops, going to do it over here on this part right here. Alright, so stuck on the wall and boop. Yeah, player got squished and level resets. Not resets, but takes me back here. Forgot to add those to the index, actually, the level select. But yeah, it works. I think I might want to move that up, but I don't know.